Hi everyone, welcome to this video on the topic case study of design and development of smart wearable health monitoring system. So let's first discuss the background of this case study. The increasing demand for the remote healthcare and continuous patient monitoring. So which is the main demand for the development of wearable electronic devices. So smart health monitoring uses the sensors, microcontrollers like this various electronic devices and also wireless communication technologies. So which will be helpful to track the parameters in real time. So it includes various health parameters. This case study examines the development of a wearable health monitoring device. So which can be used to measure the heart rate, body temperature and oxygen levels. Let's take the problem statement. As traditional health monitoring requires patients to visit hospitals frequently for routine checkups, so this can be inconvenient, especially for elderly patients and those living in remote areas. So there is a need for a compact, low cost and reliable electronic systems that continuously monitors the health condition and transmits the data to healthcare providers. So this it is for continuous monitoring, and objectives of this case study are to monitor the vital signs continuously, provide real-time health data, enable the remote patient monitoring, reduce healthcare costs and hospital visits for frequent checkups, and improve patient safety through early detection of abnormalities. So let's see the electronic components used in this case study. Pulse oximeter sensor, temperature sensors, microcontroller, OLED display, lithium ion battery, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth module, mobile application for data visualization. So first of all, let's consider the system design. The sensors collect the physiological data from the user. So ESP32 processes the sensor signals and displays the information on the OLED screen. The collected data can be transmitted via Wi-Fi to a cloud server where doctors and caregivers can access the patient's health records through a mobile application. So this particular design can be used for regular monitoring of the abnormalities. Implementation part, it includes the sensor data acquisition, signal processing and filtering, data display, wireless transmission to cloud storage, alert generation when readings exceed the predefined limits. And challenges faced for this application are power consumption optimization, sensor calibration and accuracy, secure transmission of patient data, maintaining reliable wireless connectivity. And what are the benefits of this wearable smart healthcare system? Continuous health monitoring, early detection of health issues, reduced hospital visits, and also improved healthcare accessibility in rural areas, real-time emergency alerts. These are the benefits of smart wearable health monitoring systems. So that we can reduce the hospital visits, and also it will be useful for elderly patients, those who require continuous health monitoring for the parameters like heart rate, blood pressure, and also it reduces the hospital visits. So let's conclude this topic. This case study demonstrates how the modern electronics and embedded systems, IoT technologies, can be integrated to develop an effective healthcare solution. So because it includes various sensors and microcontrollers and also Wi-Fi or Bluetooth modules, it includes all the embedded and IoT technologies, so which will be useful for developing a smart healthcare monitoring device. So this wearable health monitoring device provides accurate real-time data, enabling the proactive healthcare management and improving the patient outcomes. Assessment questions are: what is the primary function of MAX 30102 sensor in wearable health monitoring device? Measure body temperature, measure heart rate and blood oxygen levels, detect body motion, monitor the blood pressure. So we know that the primary function of MAX 30102 is to measure the heart rate and blood oxygen levels. So the answer is option B. And why is IoT technology integrated into the smart health monitoring system? To increase battery size, to reduce the sensor accuracy, to enable remote monitoring and real-time data transmission, to eliminate the need of sensors. So the IoT is to enable the remote monitoring and real-time data transmission. So the answer is C. Thank you for listening this video.